Gantry lift sequence complete. Quality control parameters nominal.
The McLaren GT cabin structure enters the infrared tunnel, where controlled heat activates the adhesive primer.
The large anthracite gray Alcantara template is moved onto a vacuum table where a thin backing material is carefully applied.
In the secondary production zone, anthracite gray Alcantara offcuts are fed into an industrial mixer and combined with the UV gantry sweeps slowly, initiating the rapid curing of the adhesion promoter, ensuring the carbon fiber is ready for the Alcantara.
All points secured on this side.
Readout confirms alignment. We are good for the next phase.
The dense anthracite gray Alcantara composite is extruded into long, thick ribbons onto the cooling conveyor.
This level of refinement requires intense focus and dexterity, showcasing the human element essential for McLaren's luxury standards.
A final structural audit verifies the Alcan headliner fastening and the integrity of the carbon fiber structure.
Blade Silver GT chassis, with the headliner now fully integrated, moves out of the primary zone. This
Automated robotic drivers insert high-tensile fasteners, ensuring a permanent mechanical fix. They are tightened to exact torque speed.
A fine bead of flexible, acoustic sealant is robotically applied to the non-visible perimeter edges of the headliner module. This compression transforms the soft composite into dense, rectangular pads, essential for acoustic dampening.
After compression, the mold is rapidly cooled using internal chilled water lines. The press opens, revealing
The minor composite residue from the trimming phase is collected by a vacuum system and routed to a dedicated recycling unit. The logistics phase is critical. Process B utilizes advanced robotic drones for precise inventory management.
The packaged sound dampening pads are briefly held in a humidity-controlled chamber, ensuring the composite material remains stable.
These anthracite gray pads are essential for the GT's cabin isolation. This hidden acoustic engineering ensures a superior driving experience.
This component here, derived from the Alcantara, is crucial for the superior noise insulation and cabin tranquility of the vehicle.
The anthracite gray dampening pads resist long-term vibration and temperature fluctuation. This emphasizes the
The unique composite structure here, derived from the raw Alcantara, showcases the precision engineering in this specialized acoustic component.